Hey, what's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett. Hey, guys, in this video, I want to talk about keeping it 100, okay? I'm going to get a little teeny bit serious today, right? And I'm going to talk about keeping it 100, right? And I'm not talking about 100% commissions, right? I'm talking about making money online when it comes to what you're doing and your message, okay? Guys, when you start right an internet marketing business, now if you're brand new, you guys don't you're in good shape, right? Because you haven't got out here and started doing this yet. You guys who've been doing it for a while, pay attention, guys, because you guys might get something out of this, right? I'm talking about keeping it 100. I did a video earlier and I was talking about a couple of people, just two particularly, but in an opportunity, and I brought quite a few people into the opportunity. And I talked about the fact that less than 6 months later, after bringing those people into this opportunity, the opportunity actually crashed, guys. You know what I mean? They didn't go out of business. They just closed business down to people in the United States, right? Some of you guys know what that business was. Some of you don't. But the point is, I felt really guilty about the fact that I bought the people that I bought into the actual business, right? I really felt bad about it. And I know a lot of internet marketers will say, and we know businesses come and they go. We know that, right? We understand that. That's the nature of internet marketing, guys. Lots of business opportunities come along, guys, and you think that, yes, this is it, and you never know, right? One of the biggest business opportunities that I could think of, right, and I was in that business opportunity too, by the way, was the Empower Network. It's a great example of businesses that just come and go. So why am I talking about keeping it 100? Because, guys, you hardly see me talk a lot about a particular business opportunity. I've gotten away from it, and you won't see me do it so much. I promote different business opportunities, but I keep my message universal, right? I keep my message universal, guys. And the reason why is the content that I create, basically, more than anything else, I talk about different tools that you can use to build your business. And I talk a lot about different traffic sources you can use to build your business. I talk a lot about technique, tactic, strategy, right? I talk a lot about that. I don't necessarily go out here and go all out and plug a particular business opportunity. And I don't do that for many reasons, guys. And again, don't get me wrong. There are a lot of great business opportunities out here. But I want you guys to take away from this video, and what I want you to understand when I talk about keeping it 100. Create universal content, guys, okay? Evergreen content that will always be relevant, okay? If you create universal content and evergreen content, it's always relevant, right? If I'm talking about making money online, it could be with anything, right? And so what I've learned to do, guys, is I don't necessarily get all out and promote a particular business opportunity. You guys see me talking a lot lately about the ORU marketplace, for instance, right? That's not a business opportunity, guys. That's not a business opportunity, okay? There's a great way for you guys to get to earn rewards from just the things you do every day, right? But it's not a business opportunity. There's a great way for you guys to earn just by referring that program to other people, but it's not a business opportunity. It's an opportunity that will allow you to grow your business, to scale your business, to be able to transact universally, right? It's a great payment processor, and I think it's so much more to come. You guys are going to love what's happening there. But when we talk about business opportunities, even products and services, sometimes they come and they go. A lot of products, a lot of services, they're trendy. They're good for a minute. They work for a while, but after a while, guys, they just fall along the wayside, right? Same thing with some business opportunities. They up, they running, they going. Everybody and their mom and dad is on YouTube doing videos on them. They fall by the wayside. Again, that's the nature of internet marketing, right? But when we talk about keeping it 100, right, and keeping it universal, or should I say, when I talk about keeping it 100, I'm talking about keeping it universal. I'm talking about keeping my message universal. The content that I create evergreen. Because this way, guys, as those business opportunities come and go, and they will, and as those business tools sometimes, even tactics sometimes, even strategy sometimes. It's always changing, right? So if your message is universal, guys, you can always swap out a new tactic. You can always swap out a new technique. You can always swap out a new strategy, and you can always swap out a new business opportunity, right? They're all over the World Wide Web. They're all over the internet. So what I like to do, guys, and what I'm doing more often than not now is, in keeping my message universal and evergreen, is I am my business, right? You are your business. Now, granted, inside a lot of the platforms and the biz ops right out there in the programs, there is a lot of great training, guys, tons of value in terms of teaching yourself the skill set that you can learn in terms of different technique, tactic, and strategies you can use to go out and build your business, right? Whatever it may be, market and promote whatever you want. But at the end of the day, guys, you are your business, not the business that you're in, right? Be careful how you go out and get too deep into branding a particular business opportunity, product, or even a service. Now, here's the cool thing. Anybody who's done this for a while, they already know the business opportunities come and go. They already know the different products and services come and go. They already know that even traffic and lead generation tactics and strategies sometimes are just trending, right? And they come and they go as well. But when you're building a universal message, right? When you're building a universal message with evergreen content, it's very easy to swap that out for what's working now, right? For the new business opportunity, if you will, that you're a part of, right? Because it doesn't matter. But in the meantime, you are your business and you're branding yourself. By all means, tap into the actual information that you have in terms of anything that you see me doing, guys, because again, it's great information inside of here. But what you want to concentrate on doing is becoming products of the product, right? And not becoming, letting the business be you, right? You are your business. I hope this makes sense, right? Because I'm going to use my Dialing for Dollars YouTube video series, okay? I'm going to use my Dialing for Dollars YouTube video series. And let me show you something, guys, while I'm talking about this, because this is a great way for me to segue into what's going on and what I'm doing right now, right? Okay, guys, so I'm shooting videos right now as we speak for my Dialing for Dollars YouTube video series, right? In my Dialing for Dollars YouTube video series, I already told you guys, I'm just going to kind of be out and about, right? I'm going to be, talking to people on the street. And of course, there's a version of this that I'm going to be using to apply to YouTube. And so what I do, right? I'm talking, right? I'm out on the street. I'm out and about. I'm doing my thing. I'm doing what I like to do, right? I'm doing what I love doing. I'm prompting my prospects to dial a certain number and be redirected to wherever it is I want them to be directed to, right, guys? It could be a business opportunity. It could be a product. It could be a service, right? But I am in the center of what it is I'm doing. The focus is on me. Now, make sure you understand this. The focus is on me, right? But it's not about me. It's about the people that I'm interacting with. I'm going to redirect them to a way that they can find a solution to a particular problem they might be trying to find a solution for, or even having some fun and just building my list that way. This way, guys, I'm still keeping my message universal. I'm still keeping my message evergreen, right? Now, let me say this while on this video, guys. If you guys see some real weird videos going up over the course of the next few days, guys, don't be alarmed. All right, what's happening is I'm actually shooting videos and I'm having videos edited, and so they're going to be a part, or should I say incorporated into my Dialing for Dollars YouTube video series. I've already shot several. This one right here actually happens to be of a, well, you guys, you'll see it when it goes up, but it's actually of a guy that I met at the local 7-Eleven, a real cool friend of mine, Wade. He plays the guitar. We shot this video, guys, at least 2 or 3 times because he wanted to be perfect on this particular video. And I was telling him that it's not about perfection. Okay, we are all works in progress, right? We're all he said, no, I want to get it perfect. I'm like, hey, just don't worry about perfection. Anyway, you guys will get to see it. I got my thumb in the way of the video. Doesn't matter, guys. Okay, I'm having fun. I'm putting something together. It's a work in progress, but there's an evergreen universal message to the YouTube video series itself when we talk about the Dialing for Dollars. If all of that makes sense. So again, guys, the takeaway from this video is you are your business. Whatever business opportunity, whatever program you're in, whatever techniques, tactics, and strategies you're actually trying to implement or yet to implement, once you have access to them, implement them, guys. Become products of the product that you purchase, okay? Right? Learn what it is. Get into the blocks of training and instruction that you have right at your fingertips, at the click of your mouse, right? It's not the business you're in, right, that's going to help you move to that next plateau, right, in your business, in your life, whatever it is you want to do. It's you, guys. It's about your personal development, right? And by becoming products of the product, this is what's going to move you from one plateau to the next, okay? It's not a race, right? Don't feel like you have to live up or down to anyone's expectation of you guys. You don't need validation from anybody. You do have to get into this place where you're ready, willing, capable, and able of learning things you never knew. But at the end of the day, guys, it's about evergreen content. It's about keeping it 100 and about delivering a universal message that will always be relevant to your target audience, okay? That's what keeping it 100 is all about. I had to do this video because I think that this video will resonate with somebody online, okay? And if it doesn't resonate with you yet, if you stay in this game long enough, it will resonate you. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel and bookmark the page, guys, because I'll be talking more about this kind of thing in the future. Anyway, guys, thousands of more videos to shoot, miles to go before I sleep. I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, and I'll see you on the next video.